Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So first I have this diamond glitter water Neato. I got this like before Neatos were popular, so I'm kind of lucky about that. And next I have this cute dog Neato, the Funky Pup I think. I love this one. And then I have Mellow Mallow. I also love this one. And I have this, oh yeah, these three are all Neatos. And this is like an Amazon one I found. It was like $4. It's pretty good. It's kind of like the Nice Ice Cube, but it's pretty good. Next, I have my orange dumpling. It's very dirty, but it's good. I love it. It's my favorite. And, well, this is not my favorite. I'll show you my favorite at the end. Then I have this very, very dirty Nicicle. I don't like this one very much. But, anyways, I thought it was going to be like squishy. It's kind of like a mochi, but anyways. And then, my favorite of all that I just got today from Walmart is the 4th of July Neato. I love Neatos, and 4th of July is my favorite holiday, so put it on one, and it's the best combination. So, anyways, I'm going to give you some ASMR. This is my favorite. I think it's available at like Walmart, Target, like stores like that. But anyways, bye guys.